my subscribers called me about her 15-acre land in Ho, which includes a cute poultry space and a single-room self-contained unit for rent. Her reason for renting it out isn't surprising, but it raises a bigger question. Why is it so difficult for people living abroad to find the right people to manage their farms back home? Is it true that you can't be an absentee farmer? What's your experience with this? Have you been successful as an absentee farmer, or was your situation a disaster? I decided to check out the land myself. I took a bus from Afia to Ho, arriving in less than 3 hours. From the Ho station, I picked a taxi to the Akwete, the community where the farm is located, just a 10-minute drive away. I was surprised by how close the farm was to the main junction, only about a 10-minute walk. The road to the farm is well cleared, and the land itself has fertile loamy soil, flat terrain, but it's a bit overgrown since it's been unused for a while. The boundaries are clearly marked with poles. The only challenge you have is there's no water source on the land, so if you are interested, you need to arrange for water either by digging a borehole or another viable solution. Despite her big plans for the land, she's willing to rent it out until she returns from the UK. So if you are interested, please hit these numbers on your screen and let's get talking.